Have you jumped on the ChatGPT bandwagon? I certainly have. That app is amazing. It blows me away with what it can do for you. But here's the kicker. When you take that tool and you combine it with another tool that can help you be more productive anyway, now it's kind of like taking ChatGPT and putting it on steroids. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. And in some of my future videos, I will share some other tools. However, today we're going to talk about using ChatGPT to create emails, SMS messages, maybe even social media posts, all from your mobile device while you are on the go. Check this out. Now, how was that? Was that pretty amazing or what? Now, imagine being able to use this ChatGPT tool that will allow you to create websites, social media campaigns, SMS campaigns, email campaigns, all inside of a tool that will allow you to not have to copy and paste, but simply to click a button to insert whatever it was that you just created. That's coming in one of my next videos. If you'd like to learn more about the mobile AI, click the link down below. Or if you'd like to talk with me about how this might help you in your business, feel free to click the link below and book a 30-minute session with me, free of charge. 30 minutes, let's talk about your business and see if we can help your business grow. I'll talk to you next time.